Hello students, welcome to Nayan Bhadoria Group of Education Institute. Myself Sushil Srivastav, class 10th, English medium physics. Today we will start fourth section of light, that is deviation of light through prism. First of all, what is prism? प्रिज्म इज ए ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, एक ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. इट इज ए रेक्टेंगुलर ग्लास शीट्स होती हैं विच आर अटैच टू ईच अदर. इट इज ए ट्रांसपेरेंट वेज शेप ग्लास पीस विथ 3 रेक्टेंगुलर फेसेस meeting along the edges, and the end faces of this are equilateral triangle. It is called prism. प्रिज्म में क्या है? प्रिज्म है 3 rectangular glass plates and 2 equilateral triangular glass plates. These are attached to each other at edges and form a transparent medium that is called prism. The figure of prism is like this. ये प्रिज्म का फिगर होता है. It consists 3 rectangular faces and 2 triangular faces. The line of intersection of 2 faces is called refraction edge. किन्हीं भी 2 फेस का जो इंटरसेक्टिंग होता है लाइन, that is called refracting edge. And angle between 2 faces is called angle of prism. Means suppose this is a prism, these are 2 edges, and the angle between 2 edges is called angle of prism. Angle of prism, it is noted by A. Now, the property of prism. What is the property of prism? When light passes from prism, it deviated to its own path. This is incident ray. When passes from prism, it deviated to its own path and went towards the base of prism and emergent toward the base of prism. This is called emergent ray. So when light passes from prism, then it deviated to its own path and went toward the base of prism. It is called deviation of light through prism. Now, what is the cause of deviation? Because due to change in medium, when light enters, then medium changes, and when light emergent, then again medium changes, so light refracted. बच्चों, when light passes from prism, it refracted 2 times. ये 2 बार रिफ्रैक्शन होता है. First when it enters and when it emergent. जब ये बाहर निकलती है और जब ये इंसिडेंट होती है, दोनों बार इसका रिफ्रैक्शन होता है. नाउ वाई इट बेंड टूवर्ड द बेस ऑफ प्रिज्म. ये बेस की तरफ ही क्यों बेंड होती है, इसको समझना है. दिस इज अ एयर मीडियम एंड दिस इज अ ग्लास प्रिज्म. व्हेन लाइट इंटर्स फ्रॉम एयर टू ग्लास, एयर इज अ रेयर मीडियम एंड ग्लास is a denser medium, so it is incident ray. This is point of incidence. Now normal, this is the angle of incidence, This is the angle of refraction. So when light enters from rarer to denser, it bent towards the normal, so it bent towards the base of prism. Again, when light emergent, so the refracted ray work as a incident ray and emergent ray work as a refracted ray. Now it is a point of incidence, this is a normal, it is a angle of incidence and it is a angle of refraction. So when light emergent, then light goes from glass to air, means denser to rarer. All of you know that when light passes from denser to rarer, it refracts away from the normal, so again it bent towards the base of prism. Now if the incident ray produces forward and emergent ray produces backward, at intersecting point an angle is formed which is called angle of deviation. इसी को angle of deviation कहते हैं. It is noted by Greek letter delta. इसको डेल्टा से डिनोट किया जाता है. If बोर्ड में अगर क्वेश्चन आ जाए define angle of deviation, so you say that when light passes from prism, then the angle between incident ray and emergent ray is called angle of deviation. Angle of deviation depend on angle of incidence. If we increase angle of incidence, then angle of deviation become decreases. But angle of deviation never be zero. कभी भी zero नहीं हो सकता. ये हमेशा minimum हो सकता है. At a particular angle of incidence, the angle of deviation become minimized. That is called angle of minimum deviation. Angle of minimum deviation, it is noted by delta m. Further, if we increase the angle of incidence, then angle of deviation become also increases. पहले एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन डिक्रीज होता है, मिनिमम जब हो जाता है उसके बाद अगर हम एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस को बढ़ाएं तो एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन भी बढ़ने लगता है. इफ द एंगल ऑफ प्रिज्म इज ए एंड एंगल ऑफ मिनिमम डेविएशन फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर कलर ऑफ लाइट इज डेल्टा एम, देन द refractive index of material of prism is sin A plus delta m by 2 whole upon sin A by 2. This is the formula to find the refractive index of material of prism. Today this is the final point. Next topic is next time. Thank you.